What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Erwinfishinglife, and today we're out here. It is a pretty forecasty kind of day. Let's see what we can get. Got something. Yeah. Whew. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. First fish of the morning. Nice. Look at that beast. Wow, I want to say this is about 3 pounds. Nice. He took that sucker right out too. Awesome. Yes. Oh, good hook set. Got him. Finally. Oh, get out from under the grass. There we go. Jesus, dude. You're a hard one. There we go. You are a hard one to get this time, man. Whoops, terrible. You got it. Come on, bud. There we go. Got you. Yeah, that's a good one right there on the upper lip. Man, these are good ones too. About 2-3 pounders. Look at that. Jeez. I'm gonna move down here. This is a good spot. Most of them are usually down over here in this little hole, so I'm gonna try to fish it this way. Yep, got one. I knew it. Ooh, you're a big one. Don't. Yep, got you. He's starting to come down a little bit. See if that's the same one from earlier. Nope. It's a new one. Hey, buddy. Let's let this one go. Called it. Right there. That's where I caught him. Ooh, another one. Yeah. Look at that. Same spot. Nice. Yesterday I was at this spot, caught 3 fish, and right after that went to another spot, caught 6-7 more fish. Those are white bass though. Gotcha. Gotcha. Finally. Come on. Ooh. What is this? Nice. A drum. A new one. Nice. New species fish. And I caught him right over here. Alright, I had to take a quick break. It's freaking raining a lot. But now that the rain had stopped and my pants are soaking wet, it's time to go back out here. Let's see if I can start back over here again and catch a couple of more. I caught 2 over here this morning. Alright. Come on. Gotcha. Man, I'm just banging them out today, dude. About a 2-pounder. Yep. Did I get it? Yeah. Yes. Got him. Oh, you son of a... Got you. Finally. Oh. Oh, man. Dude, you had me waiting for at least a whole hour. And you finally took it. Dang it, dude. Killing me, man. Yes. Got this guy right over here. Maybe. Actually, that's a little one compared to the one that pulled earlier. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Erwinfishinglife. Today was a battle. I caught him right out there where the drain is. Dude, it was well worth it. Caught a 3-pounder right off the bat this morning. It is now 2:08 in the afternoon, and man, I can tell you this, man, these bass out here are no joke. Early in the morning they like to bite, late in the evening they like to rest. If you like these videos, please subscribe, click on the notifications for the new videos. Keep it safe, keep it real. Thanks, guys.